In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the top new features in Google Chrome 136. As we all know, Google Chrome is a browser that's constantly evolving, and version 136 brings with it some exciting enhancements that I'm eager to share with you today. Let's start with an important privacy upgrade. With Chrome 136, links that are styled as visited will now only appear as such if you clicked them from that same site before. This might seem like a small change, but it plays a significant role in safeguarding your privacy. In the past, sites could potentially infer parts of your browsing history through sneaky techniques. This update helps to put a stop to that, ensuring a little bit more peace of mind as you navigate the web. Next, let's talk about improved security through the introduction of passkeys. If you've already got passwords saved for certain sites, Chrome 136 has a feature that lets you upgrade those saved password credentials to passkeys. Passkeys offer a stronger layer of security, making it more difficult for malicious actors to compromise your accounts. It's a straightforward upgrade process, so take advantage of it to boost your online security proactively. Moving on, developers will be glad to hear about the addition of regexp.escape, a new method designed to safely escape special characters. What this means is that when you're working with strings in regular expressions, you now have an easy way to ensure those special characters are interpreted correctly. This update helps to avoid potential errors and makes coding tasks a bit more seamless. For those using Chrome on Android, Chrome 136 brings a visual refresh. You'll notice a softening of the dynamic color effects in the user interface. This change means elements like the overflow menu and tab grid now have a more muted appearance, which is kinder on the eyes, particularly when you're in dark mode. It's a subtle but welcome update that enhances the overall browsing experience by making it more visually comfortable. On the security front, Chrome 136 has not fallen short. This version includes 8 vital security fixes, addressing known issues such as memory vulnerabilities within DevTools and HTML. These updates are crucial to maintaining a safe browsing environment, so it's always a wise decision to let Chrome auto-update, ensuring you're protected with the latest security enhancements. So that's it for Chrome 136. This update brings us more privacy, enhanced security measures, and cleaner visuals. Be sure to update to the latest version and enjoy all these fantastic improvements for a more secure and pleasing browsing experience. Thanks for joining me today, and as always, happy browsing!